A man named Lale Changalis own a kachori shops in the village left all the new shops in the village Changali's unique presentations of kachoris along with excellence and unusual taste was extraordinary. Chagoris used to offer its customers steaming hot potatoes. Kachoris on are dishes made of these day only. Wrong with the Chiganis was that used to get angry easily. Chiganis open his shops as usual every day but have no ideas at this private stay would drastically all his luck as Chiganis was serving customers steaming hot kachoris. Strangers enter these shops from some ways.
Hello, brother. My name is Chintu. Look, brother, don't make it so crowded here. Let me do my business. Whether you are Chintu or Pintu, it doesn't make any difference to me. First, have your kachori. Okay, leave it. Tell me what do you want to say. Say it quickly. Hey, excuse me. Boss, the shopkeeper should speak very politely to their customers. Hey, brother, what are you talking about? I'm sitting here to sell kachori, not to talk to you in a courteous way. Okay, brother, don't get angry. Actually, I have a channel named Chintu's Chatpate Fans. I will make a video for you which will be posted on my channel, and brother, you will also get popularity through it.
From Chintu's what Chaganis understood that like addict foods locus he has come here from content.
Look, brother, I don't have time for all these things. If you want to eat kachori, please have it. Otherwise, now you go from here and you may come on Sunday.
Chigani replied angrily, but by then the Chintus had taken out of zone and started recording the video.
As you can see, he is the owner of the famous Club Kachori, Mr. Lali Chagani. Let us know his special recipe for making kachori. Hey, I'm refusing you. Still you are recording it. Don't waste my time, turn off your phone and get lost from here.
Even after Chaganis is refused, Chintu did not stop.
So as you can see, Chagani has grown agitated and is now threatening to take my phone and throw me out of this place. Hello, what are you talking about? Why are you making a mountain of a mole? When did I push you? Hello, are you so furious every time? Or has success and people's love taken you to the seventh sky and you forget to recognize your fans?
Chaganis did not answer anything. Chintu to himself, sometimes near Chaganis samosas, sometimes near the customer's plate, sometimes near the used sorts, and sometimes inside the shops. Chaganis had individual slot. Now he came out of shops and threw Chintu's phones on the ground. After this, the was a fight between these stood in the crowd.
Hey, I have been saying for so long that don't spoil my customers, but you are not listening to me and repeating the same thing? Hey, listen, by throwing my phone, you have caused me a loss. I will take all the money from you now. Hey, I will not give you even free vegetables of my kachori. Then giving you the money for your phone is a very distant thing. Get out of here, otherwise I will beat you.
Chintu picked the phones and ran away with his tails pushed down in the evening. When Chaganis reached home, immediately his wife said,
I have been waiting for you for so long. It's good that you have reached home.
Why do you talk about things in such a romantic way? I won't buy you a brand new sari or anything like that.
It's not about the sari. It appears that you have not watched the TV.
TV? What is going on in the TV?
Chagani opened the phones and looked at it. He came to know that he was being talked about everywhere on the internet. Chintus had posted a video in which you are seeing.
This is Chintu Chatpata reporting. So brothers, did you witness this individual mistreating and attacking the customers? I ask my followers never to visit a place run by such a man.
Who is this guy? And why has he made such a video about you? What's the matter? Can you tell?
Chagani narrated to his wife all that happens during the day after listening to the Insta
Since
story
this
he
video
told him.
appeared on the internet, everyone in the neighborhood has been criticizing you and talking bad about you. They are stating that from now onwards, no one will go to Chagani's shop to eat kachori.
The next day, when Chaganis went to open his shops, he saw that before opening the shut of his shops, there were a lot of people standing at the shops, and everyone headphones and mic in the hand.
It looks as if they all are influencers who have come again today to make my video.
Saving self from the crowds, Chaganis somehow managed to make narrow escapes and open the shops while was preparing to make kachoris. Everyone brought your mic in front of his face.
Mr. Chagani, here everyone believes that you are a very proud and uncultured type of a person. What is your comment? Yesterday you misbehaved with a food blogger. Do you think you did the right thing? What would you like to say with regard to this?
Gradually, this became a daily routine at Chagani shops. Now they used to be more food belongs than actual customers has Chagani shops, but by come in asking all kind of questions to Chagani is image on the entire internet had became that of stubbornness, and Chinto was having a lot of fun seeing all this. He stood distance and while
Day this Chagani
Imagine-
was acting very smart. Now he must have got his senses back. Let's go and see what changes have come in his life.
Chintu thought of chasing Chagani, so when Chagani reached his home night, Chintu was standing inside the windows of his house and listening to everything that was happening inside. He called son Munna, changing Chagani said to his son Munna.
How many times have I told you to come and sit at our shop, but you cannot find any time to help me at the shop because of your unwanted fun activities? Oh Papa, I have already told you that I don't want to get involved with the problems of your shop and want to do something of my own choice. While working so hard for you and for the family, your father's beard has turned white. Why are you not helping me? Oh Papa, please don't start it again. I have to go to my friend's house.
When Chintu all the say standing near the window, he was very much surprised.
What is the state of affairs with today's kids? Not caring at all in the slightest about their father's issues, difficulties, or sorrow.
Next day, when Chiganis was heading to her shops, Chintu was follow him, but instead of going to his shops, Chiganis reached a dispensary.
What is this? Leaving his spicy and delicious kachori, why has Chagani come to take bitter medicines? Let's see and find it out.
After this, Chintu slowly followed Chiganis and saw that he was sitting in front of the doctors and talking to him.
Doctor, the pain in my knees is increasing day by day. Now I don't understand what to do. Please help me out. How many times have I told you that as long as you keep on sitting like this in your shop for hours together, the pain in your knees will never get cured. You will have to leave the shop, Mr. Chagani. Doctor, sir, except me, there is no one to earn in our house. If I sat at home, what would happen to my wife and children?
Hearing on this, Chintu was feeling very bad. He came to know reality of Chigani's real life for the first time. After this, went to his shops while a woman came to his shops with her two children.
Brother, we are starving, but there is no money to eat. Can we get something from your shop? God will help you.
Yes, sister. There is no relationship of money with hunger. Please take this hot kachori with vegetables. You also eat it and feed it to your children too.
When Chintu heard so all this, his heart was really lot of sympathy for Chiganis. Instantly, his respect for Chiganis increased a lot. He immediately went to his shops after seeing him. Chigani said,
Hello? Again you have come to my shop? I don't want to see your face. Please immediately leave this place and go away from here. Hello, brother. Please don't lose your temper. I just want to make a video of you. You ruined my entire reputation with that one erroneous and fictitious video. Oh, no, brother. I made a mistake by creating a wrong video about you. Now I want to amend my mistake which I committed earlier. What do you mean by that?
Chigani asked in the video that he recorded. Chintu highlighted Chigani Singham's stances, including his kindness, intense war-arctic solos to management, how he management and our cities in Singham's positions because sitting Sajuals he actually little presents, and in a few situations he may something not to someone advice
I
is
will
a
just post
very
this
kind
video on my
answer.
Chintu Chatpate fans channel so that your real image can reach everyone. Brother Chagani, you are a very nice person.
And Chintu did actually the same. Mentions said people soon learned the truth about Changanis and realized that behind these aggressive hysteria, this is the kind man who is always willing to help men, helping men. Because of the video, Changanis had become notorious and infants. The second videos help Jaganis to regain his popularity among the public. So you see, in the world of internet, you should never quality trust anyone. It is height required because often what seems this not happens and what happens not visible.